Hi, good morning everyone. This is Rajesh Palve from the technical desk. I just take you through the Nifty technical view as well as the USD/INR technical view for the day. In the last trading session, Nifty opened with the negative gap and traded in the range of 73.30 to 72.70 throughout the session. Nifty closed at 7298 with a loss of around 89 points compared to the previous trading session. In the last trading session, Nifty has formed a doji candlestick pattern on the daily chart, which is a sign of indecisiveness amongst the participants. So if Nifty breaks the previous day low, then we'll see further more negativity to continue in the market. If we look at the weekly charts, the Nifty has given the decisive breakdown of last 2 week consolidation support area of 7350 level, and now if Nifty remains below to 7350 level, which is a negative development on the short term chart front also. Nifty has formed a gap in the range of 73.63 to 73.23, so any kind of minor pullback action will again face the hurdle around this range. On the lower side, 7270 is the immediate and important support area for near-term trend, and if Nifty breaks this level, then downward trend to remain continue and Nifty can go down for level of 7240, 7200 in coming trading session. However, on the higher side, 7330 and 7360 would act as a resistance area for any kind of pullback action. If Nifty manages to cross this hurdle, then only we'll see some sort of buying interest in the market. Otherwise, selling on the rallies would be our preferred strategy in the market. On the indicators front also, the RSI as well as the momentum oscillator both have turned the negative and suggesting that there would be the selling pressure in the Nifty in coming trading session for near term to short term trend. For the day, 7300 is the key level to watch for. If Nifty crosses this level and hold this level, then we'll see some sort of buying interest in the range of 73.25 to 73.45. However, on the lower side, 72.75, 72.50 are the support area for intraday trade. Now moving to the stocks front, some positive bias stocks for the day are GPPL, Sun Pharma, Bharti Airtel, Lupin. Negative bias stocks for the day are CSC, Havells, Dr. Reddy, Z Limited and M&M. Now moving to the USD/INR view, in the last trading session, USD/INR opened with the upward gap and traded in the positive bias in first half of the day. However, on the higher side, around 68.44, USD/INR witnessed some sort of profit booking and USD/INR again closed at around 68.11. So on the daily chart, USD/INR has formed a long bearish candle with the upper shadow, suggesting that there is a sustained selling pressure at the higher level. So looking at the chart pattern also, 68.40, 68.50 is the near to short term resistance area for USD/INR. So till the USD/INR not crosses this level, it will remain under selling pressure for any kind of upward move. And looking at the indicators also, the RSI indicators also turn negative, which is a sign of weak negativity for near term to short term basis. So looking at the broad view on the USD/INR, the lower side major support area is at around 67.70 level. On the higher side, 68.60 is the major resistance area for USD/INR, and we expect USD/INR to remain and consolidate in this range for few more trading sessions. So once we get the breakout or breakdown of this range, then only USD/INR will decide the direction from here on. Thanks.